If you give me literally 35 seconds, I am going to show you how people are dropping their tax bill by anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000 to well into hundreds of thousands of dollars, all from writing off simple items like this from home without any staff and without any upfront investment. It's actually extremely simple. Let me show you. So what we do is we plan out what the write-off will provide for our business, what is it for, who will use it, where it will be used, why it is necessary, etc., until eventually we have answered any question IRS can ask. That's all there is to it. It's pretty easy. We buy what is necessary for our business and then we build the story necessary to audit proof it. Fortune 500 companies are doing this all over the world. Now, if you want to see step by step how I created a successful $300,000 write-off doing this, I mean literally step by step, we're having a live class today that you can attend by clicking on the upper right hand corner if you're on mobile, or the lower left hand corner if you're on desktop. You're going to go to a page like this and you can reserve your seat. We have a 300 seat maximum due to our software, so you need to reserve the seat right now. And on this class, you're literally going to see exactly step by step the write-offs we pick, why we picked them, where we pull from the tax code. We're going to show you exactly how to set up these write-offs. And most importantly, we're going to show you how to get into the tax system for the rich. And look, this doesn't take any big upfront investment. You don't need a staff or anything complicated like that. You don't even need tax knowledge. And if you look at all these people flashing right here, they've attended the same call. A lot of people have been finding write-offs that they had no idea they could use fast after applying these tactics of writing off $2,000, $3,000, or $10,000 in their first month using these tactics. Now, I can't promise you these results, but I can promise you will see the same exact tactics that these people are using because they attended the same live class that I'm inviting you to right now. And all you need to do is click in the upper right-hand corner if you're on mobile, or the lower left-hand corner if you're on desktop. Takes you to page that looks like this. Enter in your email and come join the live stream today. And I can't stress enough, stop being skeptical. This is a business practice the wealthy people utilize. You see it at FedEx, Walmart, Amazon, even Starbucks. It's one of the oldest business practices of all time, yet no one shares it with people. The big huge thing right now is there's never been a chance before where you can get access to these tax strategies. If you don't have a business, you can create a business almost 100% for free, or just use the business we literally give you and get started. This is why you are able to do this from home without any staff and without any big upfront investments. And we want to show you literally step by step how to do this today. We're going to take you behind the scenes, how people are getting 5 and 6 figure savings. We're actually going to show you how I wrote off a single $300,000 expense, and we're going to show you step by step how we did that. All you need to do is click on the upper right hand corner if you're on mobile, or the lower left hand corner if you're on a desktop. Again, we have a 300 seat maximum, and that's really it. I don't think I can repeat myself anymore. So click those links, top right hand corner, lower left hand corner. I will see you there. So stop being skeptical. Get some information, save some money, grow tax-free wealth, or continue to watch Dua Lipa and cat videos on YouTube. You decide, but one decision is far healthier than the other. Okay, I'll see you there.